2020. What a year. On a more positive note, we bought a house.
Yes.
I turned 30. Not sure if it's a positive thing or not.
Yes, it is.
We had some colorful hairdos and don'ts. StudentMeals became Howtomealz, and Tess also decided to take a little step back from Howtomealz. Almost said StudentMeals.
Again.
Now it's your turn to speak.
Don't worry, you guys. I still help Leo out to find some recipes. I still write a description. I reply to your lovely comments. So I'm still there. I'm just not really appearing in the episodes anymore. This is actually giving me a bit more time to do other stuff, which I needed.
Sleeping and eating.
No. Makeup and stuff.
I've caught sausage.
We've got a rare sausage. Anyway, we would like to wish all of you a very hopeful and a very healthy 2021. We hope you were able to celebrate the holidays with your loved ones, either being in real life in small groups or virtual. Bye, sausage.
And since 2020 wasn't all negative, it was a lot negative, but not all. So we thought we're going to end on a more positive note and reflect on something positive that happened. If you want, you can leave a comment for something that you're thankful for that happened in 2020. For example, I'm happy that 2020 is almost over.
I am thankful for Leo.
Did somebody order cheese?
Take care. How's Samen zeggen? Take care, stay safe, and see you in 2020. Take care. Stay safe.
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing the duo saying the same sentence at the same time. Take care and stay safe. And see you in 2021.
Take care, stay safe.
You're pointing the microphone to me.
Take care, stay safe, and see you all in 2021. Bye!
Thank you for all the lovely comments and likes and views.